Hi, Andre.
Are we actually videotaping me?
No.
That's a cool way to hold the camera.
You like that?
Wait, what?
Shoes.
Yeah. What's so funny?
I don't know.
Hi. Alright.
Whoa, it's fuzzy.
Why is it fuzzy?
Because I zoomed in too much.
That's cool.
You like that?
What's with that?
Hey, you should see, What?
Here. This guy dances like Mike. He's not gonna do it now, but it's funny.
You should see Mike dance. Have I showed you?
No.
He dances like him.
Okay, I don't want to record this.